show some sympathy, pointing fingers at my person, telling me I should learn. They say I'm pretty but so cruel, a sort of instant pleasure fool. They hurt me so and I'm so cruel, but I just keep on smiling. It seems that I'm not wanted here. I say goodbye and run in fear, 'cause the talking starts again. Hear them whisper, women, men. I thought they liked me very much, but they threw me out on the spot. I can't say I still